That was awesomely intense. Yes. You know, a week ago today, like right now, a week ago today, I was on the Buffalo River getting rained on with a cold, hard, wet rain. It's crazy how life changes, because if I was 19, I would prefer to be on the cold, hard, wet river rather than at church. Now I'm glad to be at church. You guys are better than a terrible, terrible float trip. You guys are awesome. He's like, I will hurt you so much. Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning to everyone here and online. We are so excited to have Rebecca sing with us today.
Yeah.
And we got Denny moving over onto congas for the first song, which is awesome. So if you would please stand with us, or stand and join us in our first song, which is Blue Boat Home by Roland Pritchard and Peter Mayer.
Yes. Below me I feel no motion, standing on these mountains and plains, far away from the rolling ocean. Still my dry land heart can say, I've been sailing all my life now, never harbor nor port have I known. The wide universe is the ocean I travel, and the earth is my blue boat home. Sun my sail and moon my rudder, as I ply the starry seas, leaning over the edge in wonder, casting questions into the deep. Drifting here with my ship's companions, all we kindred pilgrim souls, making our way by the lights of the heavens in our beautiful blue boat home. I give thanks to the waves upholding me, hail the great winds urging me on, greet the infinite sea before me, sing the sky my sailor song. I was born upon the fathoms, never harbor nor port have I known. The wide universe is the ocean I travel, and the earth is my blue boat home. The wide universe is the ocean I travel, and the earth is my blue boat home.
I saw y'all swaying out there. Everyone's like, He's got the conga action going right there. It's very nice. If you would please join us for our statement of faith, all together now. There is only one presence and one power in the universe and in my life, God the good, omnipotent. And now we've got a Denise Rosier song, Everything is Sacred.
Everything is sacred. Everything is filled with the divine. Everything is alive with spirit, with spirit. Everything is a wonder, unfolding right before our eyes. Everything is alive with spirit, with spirit. a blessing bursting from the earth and sky. Everything is alive with spirit, with spirit. Everyone is sacred. Everyone is filled with the divine. Everyone is alive with spirit, with spirit. Everything is sacred.